that you voted to cut the funding for embassy security?
Absolutely. Look, we have to make priorities and choices in this country.
So, okay, so you're prioritizing. So when there are complaints that, in fact, that there was not enough security, you've just said absolutely that you cut. You were the one to vote against, to increase security for the State Department, which would lead directly to Benghazi. That seems like you're saying you have a hand in the responsibility to this, right? The funding of the security, if you're happy to cut it?
You get it. But because there are literally close to 200 embassies, consulates, those types of things.